Apat na lang ang natitirang teams para sa wildcard stage ng M7 World Championship. You know what time it is? Hands in. GG sa Zeta Division, Leon Esports, Axmena, tsaka sa Radiance Legends Gaming or RLG dahil sila yung naunang apat na nawala sa M7. Ngayon kung hinahanap nyo yung Pilipinas, huwag kayong mag-alala, magpapakita na sila in a few days, kadarating lang nila doon. Pero sa ngayon, apat na teams ang naglalaban para sa dalawang slots sa wildcard to make it into the Swiss stage. Team Zone is going up against Guangzhou Gaming. Itong Team Zone has been quite a revelation para sa ating lahat. First seed ng Group A, nasa kanila rin yata yung mga pinakabatang players in M7 at hindi sila back ng kahit anong org. They are looking to put Mongolian MLBB still in the map. Led of course by ZX Aura na nandun pa rin na nagkaroon na ng experience over the course of time. Guangzhou Gaming naman na mga kalaban nila. Kailangan lang nilang ma-shake off yung talo nila kahapon sa Virtus Pro. Like what I said before, na isa sila sa mga favorites to be able to make it to Swiss. I still believe in that. But they have some issues to fix overnight if they want to make something happen and reach it to Swiss. Ang susunod na laban ay kontra sa Virtus Pro at Boostgate Esports. I'll go with Boostgate first because this was a team na kayang pumalag. They've landed a game of Team Zone pero hindi sila nanalo in terms of series. But obviously, they're the underdogs of this matchup. Nakakatuwa kasi yung coach nila or isa sa mga coaches nila, according kay Midnight to kagabi yun pala yung CEO nila. So imagine, yung boss mo nasa likod mo, I just hope he doesn't overstep too much or he makes the right calls in terms of the drafts for them to have a shot at winning against Virtus Pro, who is a team that is too clean in this wildcard stage. This is a completely different Virtus Pro from MSC 2025. Kasi dati, kaya natin sila nakilala is because of Andoryu putting on a show. Pero ngayon, with Zoor Egoist as the jungler, hindi na sila basta nakaasa sa isang player, kundi lahat talaga sila gumagalaw to make the moves happen. And it's really an impressive run. Parang mas magiging balita pa kung natalo sila dito kaysa nanalo sila.